Hi, welcome to our recorded class, and this is an online recorded class for today's lesson. We have our day today. It's January 13, 2024. So let's start with our counting from 1 to 30. I'll be checking your numbers and we will have to count all of them. Can you help me count? Let's count together and let us start with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So those are the numbers that we have 1 to 30. Now, how about since we finished counting from 1 to 30, let's go do our letter friend. So let me erase the writings on the screen here. Let's do the letter V. So our letter friend for this week is the letter V. And there are two kinds of V's. Remember, we have the capital V and the lowercase letter V. The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. All the letters make a sound. The sound of V is V. V is for the van, vase and volcano, vacuum and vet. We also have the Valentine. They all make the sound, the v sound. Letter V, letter V. So those are the things that begin with the letter V. And remember, we have the V sound. That's what the letter V sounds. V. That's what it makes. So let's erase the writings on the screen since we know already some things that begin with V. And let's move on to our reminder of our letter V writing. So letter V is one of our alligator letters. When you say alligator letters, these are short and fit under the dotted line. So if we try to write him here, with our alligator, I'll show you. So we have capital V, go under and up. So you have to start at the very top of the line. You go down and go up. It looks like it's an upside down volcano. What about for our lowercase letter V? So it's under the dotted line, a line down and go up here. So we have lowercase letter V. Always remember, they are short and fit under the dotted line when you write down your lowercase v. These are short. See? Just like our alligator, and when it swims under the water. So we also have letter V for the volcano. The volcano will erupt. And what comes out is the lava. So again, we have capital V and lowercase v, and V has the V sound. Okay, now that we have our V sound, let's go do the next part, and that is to write for our letter V. So I want you to prepare your whiteboard marker, and your eraser for this task. We are going to practice writing for the first letter V, capital V. So how do we make our capital V? We have to slide down or slant down. So let's do it on the screen while you also do it on your board there. Slant down first, then up like so. This upside down volcano is ready to blow. So that's how you write your capital V. Again, slant down first, then up like so. This upside down volcano is ready to blow. So we have our capital letter V. Now let's erase this one and let's go do another V, and this time it is our lowercase v, the small v. Little v is ready to vroom. Down then up, it's out of the room. So how do we write it? Little v is ready to vroom. Down, then up, and it's out of the room. Again, down and up, and it's out of the room. That's our lowercase letter v. So again, the two kinds of letter v's, we have our capital letter V here and the lowercase letter v, and they both have the same sound, the V sound. Let's try to write our V words also. I want you to spell out some of our words that begin with the letter V. So what are these? Let's start with the first one, the doctor for our pets. Let's write for the vet. So we have V, E, and the letter T. This is our word vet. Vet. This is the vet. V-E-T, vet. If you're done with this one, good job. Let's erase. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. What about for vat? Vat is a big container. It can be for your water. It can be for other things. Like in a market, they put lots of vegetables and fruits there. So we have our VAT, V, A, and the letter T. That's how you spell for VAT. VAT. Okay, next. How about another V word? Let's try violin. V, I, O, L, I, and the letter N. A violin is a kind of instrument that you can play. So this one, violin. Another one, let's erase for violin this time. How about the van? V, A, and the letter N, van. I can ride a van. Now, after van and violin, let's go to vase. V, A, S, and the letter E, we have the vase. You can put the flowers in a vase. Another V word, let's do viper. V, I, P, E, and letter R. That's how you write the word viper. And you know what viper is? It is another word for snake. That's the viper. And the last one, it's a long word for you to write, but I want you to follow. We'll do the word volcano. V, O, L, C, A, N, and the letter O, volcano. So remember, the volcano also erupts. It's quite big and it will also show lava coming out. Volcano. Let's erase this one and let's go do another part of our class. And that is to find the things that begin with the letter V. Remember, V has the V sound. So let's color the things that begin with the letter V. And I'll show you the pictures. V is for van. So van begins with letter V. V is for the vest. You can wear a vest. V is also for the vulture. It is a kind of animal. It's a big bird. That's the vulture. V is for vulture. Another one. V is also for vegetables. Vegetables are a kind. of food that makes you grow strong and healthy. How about for another V word? I found the vase where you can put your flowers. V is also for the violin. It's a kind of instrument. V is also for the vacuum, and V is also for the volcano. So we don't have any V pictures left. We found all of them. Letter V. Now let me erase the writings on the screen. And if you did a good job finding all of these pictures, good job for you. But let's proceed to the next part, and that is to do our work. This time, you have to prepare for the following materials. Instead of the letter R, we have V booklet, and we are in the third quarter already. So let me edit that one. Teacher forgot to fix it. And let's start with this booklet. It is my V book. You are going to color for your volcano, and you need to write for your name as well. So remember, when you color, try not to get out of the line. Oops, let me fix that one. So on my screen, if I color, sometimes I try to get out of the line. But for your work, at least make it look nice on your worksheet there. Okay, on your work, we try to follow the inside. We try not to leave white spaces when we color. So here I'll color this part. On the next page of our booklets, teacher won't be coloring anymore, okay? But I'll get to read with you. And on your work, you have to color. And you try to also read the sentences in your work there. So I am finishing up coloring for the volcano for our letter V work. When you trace letter V, try not to get out of the line also, capital V, and the lowercase letter v. Now, I also want you to write your name. Please do not forget to write your name in the space provided. If you're done with this one, we can move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to the next part, and that is to trace our letter V. So please trace for your capital and lowercase letter V. Try not to get out of the line or the shadow of your letter V. That is what we need to practice tracing. So this one is capital V, and this one is the lowercase letter V. Okay, we found our letter V's. We're done already with this page. But again, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one, and let's go do another one. And that is to find our capital V and lowercase v again inside the dots. So let's do it by column. So this one, I have capital V. I will go down. This is lowercase v. And then another one, capital letter V. By the way, you use your dabber to dab the letters in the circle. In the next column, I found V. This one also has V. Another, we have this one and this one. Let's jump to another one. We have this letter V. Oops, let me fix this one. Let me erase it. And this one also, the letter V. This is also V. And the last one, this is V. And this one also. So we have all our letter V's on our booklet. Now that we're done with this one, let us erase. And let's go do another part. And this time, we get to circle the pictures that begin with V. So how about we circle for our pictures that begin with V? So I have here, the first one that I see is vest. Vest begins with a letter V. Cave doesn't begin with V. Envelope, kettle, they don't go in V. But vegetables begins with the letter V. And van as well begins with the letter V. So I circled the pictures that I found for the letter V. All those pictures that I circled has the V sound, letter V. Let's erase the writings on the screen and let's jump to another booklet, and that is for you to do your alphabet reader, letter V. So let me remind you, you have to trace for your letter V, capital V, and the lowercase letter V. And don't forget to write your name in the space provided. Sorry, let me go back. Let me erase this one. And if you're done writing and tracing for letter V, let's move on to reading our sentences in the alphabet reader. For this work, I want you to color your pictures also after once we are done reading our sentences. So here, let's read the sentence. Here is the van. Again, we have here is the van. Our word here is van. V-A-N, van. So how about you color for your work? But if you're not yet done, you pause the video, you play it again once you are done. Let's move on to the next part. Let's go to the word vat. So let's read this one. Here is the vat. Again, let's go back and read. Here is the vat. We have our vat. V-A-T, vat. And we can move to the next part if we're done with this coloring for this work. We get to do our word for vet. So let's read for this one. Here is the vet. We have our vet. Another one, let's erase the next part. We also have here is the vent. Let's go back. Here is the vent. Okay, let's erase. And the last page for your booklet for you to read, we have, sorry, we have to go and read for this one. Here is the vest. Another round of reading. Here is the vest. Okay, this one is the last page of our alphabet reader. Let's move on to the next work. But if you're not yet done coloring and you only read with me here on the screen, please pause the video, play it again once you are done. How about let's jump to the next part of our work, and that is to do the write the room. And what are some V words that we can write? So first, write your name at the top. Please do not forget it. And we're going to write the V words also. The first word that I will write is the word van. V, A, and the letter N, van. So remember, all those letters in the word van are alligator letters. They all go under the dotted line. So number one is van. Number two, V, E, and the letter T. This is our word vet. Vet. The vet is the doctor for our animals. Vet. Number 3, let's write for the word vat. V A and the letter T, vat. I can put a big amount of water in a vat. VAT, vat. So it's a big container, the vat. Another one. What else can we write for the word, for the letter V? And this word, it is vine. V-I-N and the letter E, vine. A vine is a kind of plant that crawls. It's curly. One example of a vine is the pumpkin. It likes to grow long and it's also like a vine. Or the grapevine that climbs up and then drops the grapefruits down. Then another V word, let's do the word vein. V-A N and letter E, vein. A vein is what you see in the farm. It's where you see where the wind is coming from. That's the vein. Okay, another one. What about let's do the word vent. V-E-N and the letter T, vent. Your aircon has a vent. You see the aircon has to open its vent for the air to flow. Another one. Number 7, let's use the word vest. V-E-S and the letter T, vest. Remember, you can wear a vest. It doesn't have sleeves. You can wear it over your other tops or shirts, a vest. Another one, let's do the word viper. V-I-P-E and R. That's the word viper. Another word for snake is a viper. Okay, next, number 9, let's do vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R and the letter E. This is a vulture. Vulture is a kind of bird. It's a big bird. And the last one, we have volcano. V-O-L-C-A-N-O. Volcano. So those are some V words that we have in the Write the Room work. If you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase this one and let's go jump to finding our letter V in the font maze. So again, I want you to write for your name at the top. And for this work, please use your dabber to dab for our letter V's. So when we do this work, let's do it by column going down. So for this one, we have letter V's. Color for your V's. I found 4 in this column. How about this column? Let's check. This is V, another one, and this one as well. This is also letter V. This column, we have this V, another one, and this one. Next set, this is letter V. Some more. Let's color our V. This column has one V. And the last column, all has letter V and our circles. So we found already all of our letter V's on the screen. And I want you to pause the video, play it again once you are done, if you're not yet done working. So here are all the V's. And if you are done, let's move to the next page, okay? Because the next one, you get to sort your letter V's. Remember, there are two kinds of V's, the capital V, which is big, and the lowercase v, which is small. So let's trace for our letter V. Go down and up, go down and up. Like an upside down volcano, we have our letter V's. And I want you to cut and paste for your letter V's. So this one, this is, I think this is small. It goes in lowercase v. This one is big. So that's capital V. This one is also big, capital V. Another one, capital V. Oops, sorry, this is lowercase. Another one, lowercase. We have capital and capital V. Last one, lowercase. So we found already all our letter V's. V is for the vase. The V's are inside a vase. Let's erase the writings and move on to the next part. So now that we're done with this one for our letter sort, let's do the V words, the ones in our beginning sound V work. So remember, what's the sound of V? The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. All the letters make a sound. The sound of V is V. So what are these? Prepare your crayons to color for the pictures. V is for vulture, the sound. Letter V. A violin and van is for letter V. I also found the vegetables. Now we are going to color for the vase for our letter V. And we have all the things beginning with V. Letter V. Letter V. So those are things that begin with the letter V. We have our vulture, we have our violin, this is the van, vegetables, and vase, all for letter V. Let's erase this one. And now we're down to the last part. The last part of our work is for sorting the pictures again for the letter V. So this one we're going to trace first for our letter V, line down and up like an upside down volcano. We have our letter V. So those are the things that begin with V. And let's check. V for the volcano. V is for lamp? No, not for letter V. V is for van? Yes. Is V for envelope? No. Is V for invitation? No as well. Do we put face? Yes, it's for V. What about the dove? A dove is a kind of bird. Dove begins with D. And the last one is our violin. So again, these are the pictures that begin with the letter V and the ones that don't go in V. So I hope that you finish your work for today because it is the last page of your work for this day. And I hope I get to see you in our next class. And I will see you again. Bye bye. Let me erase this one. I'll see you again in our next class. Bye bye.